Go camping. Installing this 270-degree. How convenient it will be. Let's open it now. After opening the package, just pull it around the car body and it will be unfolded. It's so convenient. When others are still getting things from the trunk, you can already sit down and drink tea. There are also 4 lights inside, which can light up when connected to the power. And these 4 brackets can be adjusted in height. The minimum is 1.8 meters and up to 2.2 meters. Now let's see the effect after unfolding. Would you bring such a canopy for camping? Leave the model in the comments section, and I'll arrange a suitable car side tent for you.